Hello guys, welcome to our yet another course, and this course we are looking at house plans in AutoCAD. So kindly like, subscribe, share and turn on the notification bell to be able to motivate me to keep pushing this course. So in today's session we shall look at adjusting options to get a high speed when using AutoCAD. So at first we shall need to reposition our command entry line to the bottom. So the first line is where we'll type in our commands. So we'll type in L, then our second line gives us information about the current command. Then this third line gives us information about the previous command. So when you right click, you're able to start off the new command. So coming to home, then options, we shall be able to edit our options. So here in the user preferences, the right click customization, turning on a sensitive high right click recommendations or longer click display shortcut menus. So by turning on this right click customization, it will help us to finish off commands without pressing the enter and being more fast. And still after we finish the command and we right click, we shall be able to again come up with the previous command selected. Then when you go to the display command, we could be able to change the color theme. It's first page light, apply. So that's how the light color theme looks like, but we prefer a darker color scheme. Then here on colors, we shall look at the 2D model space, uniform background, and still we shall select a black background. So why we use a dark color scheme is to relax our eyes compared to the white scheme, since we shall be working for long hours in this application. Then okay, so if you to draw a command line, SL spacebar, so we can select here. Then we are able to draw our command line. Then by right clicking, we are able to finish it off. So again by right clicking, we shall be able to again select the previous command, which is a line in this option. So that is how the right click options help us in our settings. So a good AutoCAD user should be able to use both the keyboard shortcut keys other than drawing using the mouse from the home and other tabs. So as using AutoCAD, your right hand should be with the mouse and your left hand should be on the keyboard to be able to add characters and numbers. For example, command offset, which is a shortcut of O space bar, you could be able to type in the offsetting distance. So you could select the offset command. So I would like to select then offset. So you could be able to use the offset command. Then we could also offset this to here, set this to there. So that is how we use our shortcut keys to be able to work faster. So practicing short keys will increase your speed. So in the Express Tools tab, the command areas tool gives us all the shortcuts in AutoCAD. But you need to be familiar with the shortcut or save the shortcuts which you will often use. So for example, if you want to use copy, the shortcut key here, you could edit it. So from CC, you could change it to CO. Then OK. So it is here, it has again changed. We'll also select this one and then remove it since there are two. So we could apply. Yes, we could overwrite. Then we could OK. So there are some common shortcut keys which I used and I've provided for them here. These are some of the most commonly used shortcut keys. And after typing in a shortcut key, it is followed by a space bar. So C plus space bar gives you a circle, L plus space bar gives you line, A plus space bar gives you an arc, M plus space bar gives you move, O plus space bar gives you offset, D plus space bar gives you dimension styles. So there are some few shortcut keys which you should be familiar with. So then we can always practice on activating and deactivating status bar toggles. So we could turn on the grid here or turn it off here. Then there's snapping of the snap tools on how to easily place an object and rightly. So we could select here, snap grid settings. So we could turn on polar tracking and we could edit the angles on which you want to do the polar tracking, then the object snap. So you could enable center, quadrant, and many others. So in this case, we could disable quadrant. Then press OK. So by pressing Shift and right click, we're able to again come up with these temporary snapping options which only work once. So for example, if you want to move this line to a quadrant on this circle, we could select it, we could use the move command, able to select the object, then we could be able to select the could specify it from here. So I'm moving it here. Want to attach it to one of the quadrants. So we'll shift, right click, then enable quadrant to be able to snap it to one of the quadrants. So here it has been able to snap to one of the quadrants. So that is how the temporary snapping tools work, shift and right clicking, to be able to use the temporary snapping option only once without editing it in the settings. So here we have our polar tracking, which enable us to draw to certain angles which will be enabled. Then we also have our scale here. We could edit, change our scale here to be able to visualize our models or our drawings with ease. Then we could also edit the working space here. We are still in the drafting and annotation environment. So that's it for now. In our next session, we shall look at how to draw our house plans in AutoCAD. So see you then. It's a bye for now.